Welcome back to Land the House. So today is going to be kind of a run errands kind of day. I have this Pure Wash Pro system and it comes with a really terrible plastic hose and I've stripped it. This is actually the second hose that I've stripped from this company. So we're going to go to the store and buy a new one of those hoses. That's one of our tasks for today. And then Emma and I are going to run, take a ram pump, and then we've also got a bassinet that our pastor's wife gave to us, but we're actually not going to use it. Do you call this a bassinet or is it a crib?
It's bassinet.
Bassinet. It's very big. But the reason we're not going to use that is because friends of ours gave us this pack and play that has one of the crib inserts for it. So we're going to do that. And then my mom has a new business and she needs some product photos. And so I'm going to take some lights over to her place and pick up some things. But anyway, let's get started. It's 18 degrees out here. Got that up there. Time to go back in, grab the rest of the stuff, head to town. The thermometer in the house said that it was 18 degrees. My car says 15. I believe the car. Pulling up here to the plumbing store to get that hose. I'm still kind of disappointed with the poor quality of that hose. To strip two of them. And the guy I bought it from said that they stripped easy too. Kind of sad. We're in the grocery store getting some items for while we're in the hospital. I have a feeling I'm gonna want things like granola bars and chips because we were in there for 3 days last time.
What?
So here's the grocery haul. The items I'm going to put in my hospital bag. Got some peanut butter and rice crackers and some beef jerky, some Fritos. So maybe I got too much. Or maybe I just need a bigger bag.
You got really hateful last time.
Really hateful?
Yeah.
Well.
Me and Mom were actually trying to figure out if we should even let you in the room.
Oh snap. Well, if your mom can't be there, then... Just stepping out here in the shop, Mom needs these studio lights with umbrella so that she can take pictures of her products. She's got the ice packs and the insulated cooler bags. So I'm going to take this one and the one back here, and somewhere around here I have the umbrellas for these. They may be in my office. I'll have to go check. But anyway, I need to take these to her so she can get some product photos. I'm here at my parents' house. I don't normally show much here because it's just a madhouse, but the kids have made this place a disaster. So anyway, just dropped off the lights for the filming, or for taking product photos.
Yeah, Seth, if you'll pass me some socks or something, I'm going to try to stuff.
What if we pull stuffing from inside of this one?
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah, don't bother.
It's like bubble wrap.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
just pass it to me.
Well, how about some children's pants?
Somebody to play with.
Good morning. Just woke up at 5:30, went to the gym, dropped off some boxes for my mom at the UPS. So our internet service provider has a few different tiers that you can pay for. They have the 3 basic tiers of it's 25 up, no, that'd be nice. 25 down, 50 down, 100 down, 1 up, 2.5 up, and 5 up. So I'm currently paying for that highest service, or you can pay up to $300 to have 100 up, 100 down. Definitely can't afford that. So I was talking to one of the owners yesterday of this internet company, and he was saying call this other guy and just ask if he can give me like 15 up and 100 down. So I'm gonna call him here in a few minutes and see what he says. I'm not really expecting much, but thought it'd be worth just giving a try. But I'm gonna go get some gas and head on to the house, I believe. I'll let you know how the phone call goes. I called the ISP and he's in a meeting until 1. Man. It's a balmy 23 out here today and supposed to get up to 27, so that's exciting. Because I want to finish the camera gantry before the baby arrives here in the next couple of weeks, I think I'm going to turn my 2 heaters on out here in the shop, since I neglected to put in a wood burning heat source. And so after I eat a little food, we may be able to step out here and work some more on this gantry. That one's finished, so this is the next one here. All right. Well, I've been working most of the day on this camera gantry. I have the first rail up here. That seems to be doing pretty good. A little bit of wobble in there, but not very bad. So anyway, I think it's gonna be good. Have the other one built now. Let me show you that. It's right down there. Have to get that one up. I've got the 2 7-foot mid pieces there. So anyway, definitely making some progress on the gantry. It's 3:15. I'm getting kind of hungry, so I may step in real quick and see what's going on in the house. But man, I was really hoping to get this gantry done today. I'm not sure though, because getting it one rail put up has taken a good while. But man, it looks nice, doesn't it? Really excited. And having one of those up there already clears out a lot of my space that I was having a hard time with. It actually warmed up to 38 today, much warmer than it was supposed to get. So I figure since it's warmer, I ought to do some battery maintenance here on both the Polaris and the Raptor over here. So see if there's any juice left in this battery. I've not started it in probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know. We'll see. I've seen it say low bat before and it still worked. Go for a little drive real quick. As it turns out, 38 degrees on a 4-wheeler is still quite cold. Drove around for maybe 5-10 minutes. Wasn't too concerned about that starting. The lawnmower though, I don't think I've started it in quite a while, so we'll see if it'll start up here. Bless you. We just got back from a baby appointment. Things are going well. Ashley is definitely approaching the final stages. Hopefully we'll have some good solid information for you on that next week. We're looking at probably 3 weeks tops, but anyway, exciting stuff. So I got this much of the camera gantry installed. The first track here. Second one is made, and I've got the other runners to go on there. And so the next step in that build is going to be using plywood with the saw here to cut out some arms, and it's got to have a swivel piece and some adjustments. And let me see where I put that. Maybe it's over here. Anyway, a company sent a ball head, and I'm going to be putting that on here so that I can adjust the camera any angle on the end of that that track. So should be fun. Also, so coming up, I want to do some floating shelves for the new baby's room and also in our laundry room. They're gonna be like 1 foot by 3 or 4 foot, something like that. So not too big, but it's definitely something to look forward to. So far, well, in the last vlog, I mentioned that I was going to be using a calendar with notes to be more productive. And this week so far it's worked well. I've gotten 4 videos accomplished, so it's good stuff. Looking forward to keeping up that trend. So, did something I maybe shouldn't have done, but I bought a new laptop. Didn't have the money for it, but my old MacBook is 9 years old and won't work with 1080p footage, and so it definitely wouldn't handle 4K. But I'm gonna start doing a lot more editing on that, so that when I film more content for you to enjoy, I can do my edits on that. And also, I'm gonna start up my blog again, and just being more productive, because 2019 is gonna be a productive year. That being said, I need to build some ram pumps and get some work done. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and let me know if you're enjoying the 2 vlogs per week. I think as I don't have big projects coming out every week because I just don't have the time, I can at least give you 2 vlogs. And when a big project does come about, like the camera gantry, I'll post that for you as bonus fun content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.